Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is equipped with the 302A appearance package, so you've got your running boards along the side here, keyless entry pad, 20-inch rims. You've also got tow mirrors on this model with blind spot detection. Power window controls are just here on the door. You've got power adjustable foot pedals as well as an electric parking brake. Power operated driver's seat, which is also heated. Go ahead and turn it over. You have the 5-liter V8 in this model. Infotainment screen here with a display mode, trip and fuel, towing, off-road status, and various settings. Cruise control is on the left here. Hands-free calling is on the right. You've got a Sync 3 sound system with built-in navigation, 4G hotspot, Ford Pass Connect, and other features. Above that is an auto start-stop button. You've got a plow use feature, 4-ways, and traction control. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and then trailer backup and brake. Climate controls are just down below there. 12-volt outlet with a household plug. Then you've got 2 USB ports and some change covers. Center console shifter here with 2 cup holders. And then you've got an auto-dimming rearview mirror up top. Taking a look at the back, you've got your paint-matched rear bumper. Rearview camera is right below the tailgate latch. You have a built-in tailgate step in this one. No bed liner, but you have the option to put a drop-in bed liner or a LED or a spray-in bed liner. You also have LED lighting here. Taking a look at the back seat now. Rear seats do fold up for more storage. You've got a nice pattern here on the seats. Looking at the center console for the rear. 2 more cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, 2 more USB outputs, and another household plug. Lots of leg room back here. You also have a dome light and a rear hook for hanging anything you please. Back around to the front. Paint matched front bumper. You've got halogen headlights and fog lights, LED turn signals and tail lights. A gunmetal gray front grille, really nice look to it. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this brand new 2020 Ford F-150.